draft pressure switches tell the furnace that the inducer assembly or the draft assembly that draws air through the heat exchanger is in fact drawing air through the heat exchanger. So if we've got 15 volts, we're losing voltage through this. It's not sending the voltage back through. Cut the switch off. We're going to remove the wires off of the pressure switch. We got our screwdriver. We're going to put it in. Remove our fasteners. Now it's time to remove the pressure switch. You got it in your hand. Grab a new one. We'll put it in.